Hi, this is Paul with DKC Knives. You're looking at another beautiful piece. This may look like the little J with etched horn and a Damascus blade, but the little twist on the story is now we have it with a pocket clip. So we've had more and more calls for pocket clip versions of our little J knives. So this is the Damascus steel version of the little J in the Sheath finish, or the etched horn. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Beautiful pocketable knife. Got a nice, beautiful pocket clip attached to it. Beautiful Damascus steel patterning. You can see the full selection of the little J knives on our website at DKCknives.com. They're gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. We hope you get one and are inspired to want to collect a bunch of them. So we have these in different finishes, in different handles, different steels, Damascus steel and 440C high polished stainless steel finish in here. So come check it out at DKCknives.com. And again, this is the little J Sheath Damascus steel with a pocket clip. That's the knife you're looking at. A lot of models, gets confusing, but now you have the details. Thanks. Check it out at DKCknives.com.